Hi, I'm Chili Bin, and this is Raiden. We met on day 2 of our Appalachian Trail through hike and ended up hiking the whole thing together. Now we're in New Zealand. We just got married and we're off to explore the country together, hiking and tramping using mostly gear I made for us. Subscribe to come along with us as we explore the great outdoors. Hi guys, Chili Bin here. I'm back in Abel Tasman National Park. I'm just heading off on an overnight adventure through a little bit of the inland track and a little bit of the coastal track, and then a section of track I haven't done before out to Anchorage Bay and Anchorage Bay Hut, which is where I'm planning on spending the night tonight. It's been too long since I've been outdoors. COVID lockdown recently. We spent a few weeks in level 4, which meant that we had to cancel our ski trip, which was pretty disappointing, and then a few more weeks in level 3, and now we're in level 2, which means that things are fairly normal. I've got my mask and my fanny pack, but other than that I can get out and about. I can scan in when I go places and yeah, go exploring again. This trip isn't going to be challenging really. I think if I take the most direct path to the hut today, it's 12 hours, 12 kilometers. I think they estimate to take about 4 hours. I'm going to take a few detours and see a few things, so that'll take me a little bit longer than that I expect, but I'm just out for a cruise, so it doesn't really matter. Heading to Anchorage at the bottom of this sign, but I'm going to see how many of these other places I can check out on the way. Looking back down at Porter's Beach, you can see the little white post that I was standing next to before. So last time I came through here, I went that way up the inland track and came back around the coast. So today I'm going to go around the coast, and then tomorrow I'll come back over the inland track. Here's a little bay I've never been down to before, Cleopatra Bay, so I guess I'll head down and see what it's like down there. Another little side trip I haven't done before. Just do a quick stroll down to Apple Tree Bay and check it out. Not much here. The track ended over there. I came for a bit of a clamber over these stones. can't really see out much. Sign says an hour and a half to go. But I don't think I'll be taking the most direct route. Looks like a bit of storm damage. Oh wow. This is pretty unusual to come across on a great walk. About 2 o'clock. I got to the hut a little while ago. I found a bunk. There's only 2 other people there at the moment, and there's lots of different bunk rooms, so they're in a different bunk room from me, which is great. And now I'm just going on a little side trip. It's about a 3.5k loop track out to Pit Head, where there's some historical fortifications and hopefully a really good view. Good morning, it's just about 7 o'clock and I've just left the hut. I'm heading along the beach past where I came out yesterday to a different entrance where I will, I'm going to head over to Cleopatra's pool, which I didn't go to the last 2 times I've been to this park, and from there I'll take the inland track back up and over to my car. So here we are. I'm going to go to Cleopatra's pool first, and then neither of those places after that. I just passed the turn off to head to Cleopatra's pool, about 750 metres this way. I was a little bit concerned with the amount of sediment I've seen at the coast and a lot of the streams, that maybe this stream would also be clogged with sediment, in which case the pool might not be worth going to. But this one is running beautifully clear, so I'm heading down towards the pool and hoping it's as beautiful as everyone says it is. seems to be over there somewhere. I'm gonna have to get wet feet. So I have to say, I was seriously considering this morning whether I'd go for a swim at Cleopatra's pool or not. You see, when I started at Anchorage, it was hot, I was walking on the beach. I had to strip off my jumper pretty much straight away. And I worked up a sweat going up that first hill. But now I'm in the valley, there's very little sun in here, and then I had to walk through that water, and wow, it was cold. Like, it's still September. You know, it's only just spring, so part of me thought it was, you know, it'd be fine, the sun's out, but it definitely wasn't a good idea once I got there. Here we are, going up and over. After being cold down at Cleopatra's pool just a few minutes ago, come up there, very steep climb, and now I'm out of that dense bush and into more scrubby trees and hot, pretty sweaty. The sun's pretty bright, so I've got my hat on, and I think it's gonna be like this the rest of the way to the top, which is still probably another 3.5 kilometers away or so. I am now at about 350 meters above sea level. Absolutely beautiful view out there. And this is my track here, heading up the hill. I've got about another 250 meters to go to the top. Oh, right. So I can go up to the clearing. That's an extra 1.5 k's out of my way. And all I'll be doing is turning around and coming back again. So I'm going to go this way, down to Tin Lion Hut, Maraho, and home. Back on the main track now.